innovative language with Novi. Learn basic English. English in 3 minutes. Lesson number 4. Where are you from? Hey everyone, Sam is here. In this series, we're going to learn some easy ways to ask and answer common questions in English. It's really useful and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn some different ways people will ask you, where are you from? First, though, where are you from? Where are you from? Can mean many things. It can mean what city you are from, or what state you are from. In fact, Americans ask this question to each other all the time, to learn what part of America the other person comes from. Of course, though, it can also mean what country you are from. If you want to answer this question, there are 2 ways to do it. You can say plus your nationality, as in I'm Japanese, or I'm a Brazilian. I'm from plus the country you are from, as in I'm from Italy, or I'm from Thailand. If you're from a really famous city or place, you can say that too. For example, I'm from Beijing, or I'm from New Delhi. Many times, though, Americans won't ask, what country are you from? Or even, where are you from? In many casual situations, they will say it in a simpler way. Where are you from? This is just like, where are you from? But they take out the R. Where are you from? Where are you from? You can use this too in casual situations. Of course, in the United States, as in other parts of the world, people may be a little more indirect because they want to be polite. To do this, they might ask you if you are from the place where they meet you. For example, if you meet someone in New York, they might ask you, are you from New York? Or if you are in San Diego, they might ask, are you from San Diego? Are you from San Diego? Many parts of the United States are very multicultural, so asking the question this way avoids what could be an embarrassing mistake. You can answer this the same way you answer, where are you from? Just add a simple no in front. For example, you can say no plus plus nationality. Are you from San Diego? No, I'm French. Or no plus I'm from plus country. Are you from San Diego? No, I'm from Russia. Now it's time for Sam's advice. Since the United States is very large, people you meet take great pride in place or region they come from. If you ask someone about where they're from, they may respond by saying something like, West Coast, or the East Coast, or California, or the South, or the Midwest. If they answer in this way, it usually means they are interested in talking more about their region and how it differs from others. In this lesson, we learned some different ways to ask, "Where are you from?" Do you know what to ask when you don't know someone's name? Of course, you do. But what do you say when you've forgotten someone's name? Find out next time in the 5th English 3 Minutes lesson. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, ring the notification bell, and see you next time.